Hey there. So, today we're checking out this Dreo Air Circulator Fan. Honestly, one of the best out there. So, let's see what we've got. When you open the box, on top we've got the fan itself. Underneath, you'll find the user manual, some documentations, and a baggie of screws. We'll get to that later. First up, we have the quick guide for wall mounting. This is optional. You don't have to mount it, but if you want to, this guide walks you through it step by step. In a small baggie, they've included wall plugs and screws. So you've got everything you need. The manual itself is very detailed with diagrams, making it super easy to follow. Now, let's check out the fan. I got mine in this wonderful gray color, and it feels sturdy and premium. There are hooks at the back for wall mounting, and the control dial is right at the back here so you can easily adjust the speed. The plug includes a fuse for high voltage protection, which adds extra safety and peace of mind. The whole fan is adjustable. You can tilt it to get airflow exactly where you want it. Now, here I am turning it on, and wow, it's super quiet. But don't let that fool you. Despite being whisper quiet, it pushes air really far and strong, filling the room quickly. Overall, it's a compact, powerful, and versatile fan that's perfect for desks, bedrooms, or anywhere you need strong airflow without the noise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.